Toe. Have you ever wondered what it truly means to be a legend? To rise from fear, doubt, and loss, and step into a destiny that feels bigger than life itself. This is the story of a cub, who was never just a cub, but a symbol of courage, hope, and the unbreakable circle of life. Our journey begins in the golden heart of the Pride Lands, where the sun climbs over the horizon with a glow so powerful, it feels like the sky itself is celebrating. Animals from every corner gather beneath Pride Rock, whispering, cheering, waiting. Because today, something extraordinary is about to happen. Rafiki, the wise old mandrill, steps forward holding a tiny lion cub, and for a moment, the world stands still. This cub is Simba, the future king. As Rafiki lifts him high into the sunlight, drums of destiny seem to echo through the air. Every creature bows, not because they must, but because they believe. But destiny isn't a smooth path. Right from the beginning, darkness hides behind the edges of Simba's golden future. In the shadows stands Scar, Simba's uncle's jealous cunning and hungry for the throne. While the Pride Lands celebrate new life, Scar watches with a cold smile, thinking only of power slipping away from his claws. Simba grows, full of energy, curiosity, and a heart bursting with dreams. He idolizes his father, Mufasa, the mighty king, loved by all. Every morning, Simba trots behind Mufasa, asking endless questions, wanting to learn everything about ruling the Pride Lands. Mufasa teaches him about balance, responsibility, bravery, and the ancient truth. Everything the light touches is connected, alive, and sacred. The circle of life does not begin and end, it flows. But for a young cub, destiny is just a word. Simba wants adventure. He wants excitement. He wants to be brave now, even before he's ready. And Scar knows it. Manipulating Simba with lies wrapped in soft words, Scar sends him and Nala to the one place they were forbidden to go, the Elephant Graveyard. The air there is cold, heavy, filled with whispers of danger. Bones stretch across the ground like forgotten ghosts, and out of the darkness leap the hyenas, Scar's loyal allies. Simba tries to be brave, but fear takes over. Nala trembles, their young hearts pound. Just when everything seems lost, Mufasa arrives like a storm of power, saving them in a single roar that shakes the graveyard walls. On the way back, Simba walks with his head low, his pride shattered. But Mufasa, instead of anger, shows compassion. He tells Simba that being brave doesn't mean seeking danger, it means facing fear with wisdom and strength. This lesson stays in Simba's heart, but Scar has no intention of letting the future king grow wiser. He crafts the perfect trap, a gorge, a stampede. A desperate cry for help orchestrated so precisely that Simba runs straight into danger without knowing it. The thunder of hooves shakes the earth. Dust rises like a storm. Simba clings to a branch as wildebeests rush beneath him. Mufasa arrives again, fighting, leaping, risking everything for his son. He saves Simba, but Scar is waiting. With cruel betrayal, he lets Mufasa fall. Everything changes in an instant. Simba stares at his father's lifeless form, his heart breaking in ways words can't describe. Scar arrives with fake sympathy but poisonous words, convincing Simba that Mufasa's death was his fault. Overwhelmed by guilt, the little cub runs far, far away into the unknown, believing he is unworthy of love, family, or the throne. Scar takes over the Pride Lands, turning the kingdom into a place of fear and hunger. But destiny does not abandon Simba. He laughs, plays, survives, but he never truly lives. Sure. Until one day, fate intervenes again. Nala appears. Older, wiser, but still carrying the fire of the Pride Lands in her eyes. Shocked to see Simba alive, she begs him to return. The kingdom is dying under Scar's rule. His mother mourns. His pride suffers. The circle of life is broken. But Simba refuses. He believes he is responsible for everything. His fear is deeper than any roar. And then, Rafiki appears mysterious, joyful, and wise. He leads Simba to a pool of water and tells him to look. At first, Simba sees only his reflection. But then, he sees something more, his father's spirit shimmering through the sky. Mufasa's voice echoes across the clouds. Remember who you are. Something awakens in Simba. Courage, truth, destiny. For the first time since the gorge, he breathes with purpose. With Nala, Timon, Pumbaa, and Rafiki supporting him, Simba returns to the Pride Lands not as a broken cub, but as the lion he was born to be. What he finds is heartbreaking. The Pride Lands now grey, empty, silent. Scar's rule has drained the kingdom of life, and the hyenas roam freely, devouring everything. Simba climbs Pride Rock through thunder and ash. When Scar sees him, he is struck with fear of the cub he thought he had destroyed. Scar tries, lies, excuses, manipulation. When he admits the truth that he killed Mufasa, the storm inside Simba ignites. A fierce battle erupts. Lions and hyenas clash. Roars echo across the skies. Simba and Scar fight in a fiery rage at the top of Pride Rock. Scar begs for mercy, blaming the hyenas. But Simba refuses to become like him. He commands Scar to leave the Pride Lands forever. Scar attacks again, desperate and vicious. But destiny makes its final move. The hyenas, overhearing Scar's betrayal, turn on him. The storm ends. The fire fades. Simba climbs to the peak of Pride Rock. Rain pours down like the heavens are washing away the past. He logs. At the kingdom, his kingdom man roars with a power that shakes the stars. The Pride Lands awaken. The rivers return. Grass grows. Life breathes again. The circle of life heals. Time passes, and the sun rises once more on a new dawn. Simba and Nala stand on Pride Rock with their newborn cub. As Rafiki lifts the baby high into the light, just as he once lifted Simba, the animals bow, not just to a king, but to a legacy. A story of courage found in darkness, a destiny embraced through pain, and a reminder that no matter how lost we become, the circle of life always leads us home. This is the Lion King, a legendary tale of courage, destiny, and the eternal bond that connects every heart to the great circle we are all a part of.